In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87e10bd0. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, type for ws reset.exe, click on the OK button. Then wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed, okay? But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, that is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. Navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for Store, then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store. Please make a right click and then please go with the app settings option. So wait until this procedure would be finished, okay? And once you have done it, open first, then wait until the procedure would be finished the moment you've clicked on the repair and reset. Once you have done it, I want you to restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.